Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lesson. Today I'll be breaking down the Mettle Afro Christmas jam. So if you're interested and you want to learn the bass line in this song, I recommend you watch the video to the end. Okay, I also do private class lesson on how to play song like this. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. The song was played on key C.
Hey, let's go. Are you ready, everybody? Hey, hey. Everybody, let's go. Give them.
Okay. So it goes like this. Do 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 ti la la. Do 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 la ti ti. Okay. The same.
Everybody say glory, glory, glory to the King. Glory, glory, glory to the.
So the progression on that is 3 4 6 5 on 4th string. 3 4 6 5. Okay, so 3 4 6 5 on your 5th string. 3 4 6 5. Okay, so you can do that.
Everybody say
So that is a fill to your 3. 7 1 7 5 3 4. Okay, you can do it. 4 6 5 again. 4. Okay. So that was what he played. Okay. Okay, so if you're using the 4th string, you can do that. You have your 2 here, 3. So 1 2 5 2 3. Then you can play a 4 here if you are having a 4th string, but you can play a 4 here if you're having a 5th string. So 1, so you understand? So 2 5 2 3 4. Then you're 6 5 6 5. Okay. I think that was what he played. So mi ti ti fa go la so again. Mi ti ti fa. Okay, la so. Yeah. He played this. So okay, so re mi so mi re do re mi fa. The last so master 2 again. Re mi so mi re do re mi. Okay, then fa, then la so. Okay. Put that in mind. Mi ti ti fa. Okay. So fa la so. That's the punch. Fa la so. Okay. Mi fa. That's it. The progression. Okay. La so. Okay. So mi fa la ti do. So do fa la so mi fa la ti do. Okay. Again. La so. Okay, so do 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 mi fa do re so la so. You see the difference, okay? Put that in mind. If you're going to a 3, that is 2 5 3, then you 4, okay? fa, mi, la, do, sol, la, do, re, la, re. Fa, sol, la, do, re, la, re. Okay. Do, 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 do. Okay, that is he slapped it. So okay, so even how to slap. So 5 5, then 1 4 5. So what he played to the 4 is Ti do ti so far. Okay. So okay, Ti do ti so far. So la do re la re. Okay. So so fa mi do fa so. Then I think you'll be starting again. Yeah, to your 3 and 4. 6 5 3 4 6 5. You can learn that. It was in the song. Okay. Ti do ti so mi. Okay. So okay, that is mi titi. So that is re la so. Okay, the next one. So do 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 la la re 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 so so do 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 la la re re, just like that. Do do la la re re, just like that. Again, go. Okay, do do la la re 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 so so do do. So the intro, you're just to play that alone. Okay. So do. Okay. So to spice it up. So do 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 la la re 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 so so do do. Okay. So do 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 do. So that was what it plays. So do do mi do. Okay, la la re re. So do do la la re re so so ti re mi mi do do. You can learn that. So 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 ti re mi mi do do. Okay. Do so la do la re 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 so so re so. Okay, so re so. Do so la do la re 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 so re so. So re so do. Put that in mind. Okay, you're now getting into the high life groove. Do so la do la re re so re so do. Okay. So do. You understand? So he's now sliding. Do la do re re so do la do re, something like that. Okay. So you can do this too. Okay, do do, mi mi do do la la re re, fa fa re. So do do, mi mi do do la la re re, fa fa re. So do do la mo re si so ti do. So you slide. So let's see what he play next. So re. You understand? So re, so ti re mi mi do mi 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 so. You can still do it again. So go do mi 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 so, do mi 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 do re re, so ti re mi mi do mi 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 so, do mi 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 do re re, so ti re mi mi do. You understand? Okay. So let me take it slow for you. Then you continue. So when you play that so it is so re so ti re mi mi do. Okay. So do mi do la so mi la re. Okay. So re so do re so do. So wow. So do ti do mi la mi mo la re. Okay. So you put that in mind into your soul. Re la re so. Okay. Do do. You understand? Do so do la do re 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 so ti do la mo re la so ti do. Because of time. So at least what you have learned from this video, try to learn and apply it very well, master it very well, so that in case they'll be singing this song in the church, you'll be able to play it just like the copyright bassline. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.